Hey guys, I look like crap right now. The mouse is like crying at the door. I'm sorry I didn't upload yesterday. I really have been committed to doing these videos. But I was like, fuck it, you know. It's not like anybody watches them anyways. I know my voice is kind of like nasally right now, I guess. I don't know. I was up really late. Not making videos, of course. Yesterday I just had work a lot and I like was cramping and all that stuff and I had a lot of work to do and I was like, I just felt horrible. Oh well, Mouse, you're so smart. Let's just put the freaking marker on the other side of the door. I just feel like crap right now. You see I'm wearing this. Okay, I don't wear the shirt all the time. I've been changing it up. I just like to sleep in this shirt. I swear to God I do. I haven't washed it yet, but I don't care. I can sleep in the same goddamn shirt if I want to. 2000, what the fuck? So yeah, I hope you guys had a great day. I've been really sleepy. I just really want to go back to sleep, and I have work at 2. Or no, I have work at 4. Wait, what? Yeah, I have work at 4 to 6. Like 2 hours. Yeah, I have to go all the way there. Like, it takes like half an hour to get there to work, 2 hours work. And get back there, it's half an hour. And then, oh my god. I just feel like such crap. So crappy right now. I can't wait to put my lava lamp up. I got my lava lamp like a month ago when I first got my first paycheck. And I used it, but then it like fell a couple times, so it's just like and we're gonna move soon, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put it up a little bit more secure. Get the house. She's crying. Shh. Quiet. Wait a second. Wait 1 second, Ross. So I can finish this. Okay? Shh. Before I hit you. Wait. So yeah. Mouse, seriously? This is gonna try and turn her like. Okay, I'm gonna wait for her to do it. She actually like gets her paws and tries to turn the door knob. You know, like a human. No, she's not gonna do it. It's crying right now. Mouse, just wait 1 second. I'll let me. She just wanted a treat anyways. I'm gonna play Couple Boots. Yeah. Oh, you know, this stuff is really good. You guys should get it. It's Pure Seduction. It's at Victoria's Secret. Usually I don't like perfumes and stuff, but this Pranger Spritz, yeah, it's perfume. This perfume is like really good. Pure Seduction. It's because I tried every one in the store and this one was my favorite. And I'm really picky with perfumes. I don't want it too strong or anything. So, and I look horrible and my little double chin's coming out. And then I got my new Subway shirt yesterday. So now I don't have to wear that like hideous orange baked chicken bacon ranch shirt. I've never even had chicken bacon ranch. You know? That's sad, but I don't care. How much to bore you guys? I'll do speed painting maybe. I don't think this will last for very long. Like normally. I'll do some kind of drawings for you guys or painting. I don't know. Anybody wants to give requests, that's great. So, okay, bye guys.